Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for something completely free, fun, and packed with cool stories in Southend, then you need to visit Southend Central Museum. Most people come to Southend just for the beach and the pier, but just a walk away from the high street is this museum. It's literally 2 minutes walk from Southend Victoria Station. People walk every day past this museum without knowing that they can enter free of charge. Now, if you like discovering history, please subscribe as we're about to enter the museum to discover that history. Back in 2003, builders uncovered the burial chambers of the Anglo-Saxon priests right here in Prittlewell. The museum's house is incredible treasure found inside his tomb. We're talking about stunning gold coin, yeah, ancient glass vessels, a spatula's copper standing right in front of the objective that are covering from, for example, 1,400 years old. So I'm showing you this place of 1,400 years ago. So on the display, you will actually see the old uh, gold gold coins. You will see old-fashioned displays. You will see old photographs. That's the gold coins you're seeing, and display of the old, the gold, the Bronze Age, the Roman life, the prehistory. What else? Lots of things. The ship. You'll see the old shoe display. And it's just not old kings. The museum is packed with old Victoria items that show how people lived and worked. What makes this place great is it's quiet, cozy, and personal it feels. You don't get rushed out by massive crowds like the way in London. You take your time looking at tiny details on the ancient pottery and really connect with the roots of the coastal town. I totally forgot to tell you when this museum is usually open. It's always open every Wednesday to Sunday from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. And guess what? It's completely free. The main museum is completely free. However, there is a section where you have to pay, and that's upstairs, the platinum. It's £7.50. You have to phone ahead of time to book. You can't just come to the museum and pay there. You have to phone ahead of time to book for that part. But don't forget, all this I'm showing you is free of charge. Okay? So honestly, for a completely free of charge, you cannot miss seeing this place when you visit South End. Okay? When you visit South End, you can't miss coming and spending your free time seeing all this history and learning something you have never known. Literally, it's just so good. So if you go to the platinum, it's upstairs where I'm just heading to now. Have you ever been to this museum? If you have, please comment in the comments section and let me know what was your favorite display. Okay, Now, if you enjoyed this quick tour, give this video a thumb up, share it with your friends, plan a day trip to Southend, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more hidden travels. See you in my next video. Okay? Once again, thank you so much for watching.